Hello everyone. So this is the unboxing of the Sunsonic 20,000 milliamp hour power bank that I bought from Lazada. I will be putting in the item description the results if this is a true 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, if how many times it can um, charge my Motorola E4 Plus, which have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So let's begin. Nice packaging. So let's open it up. Well, sadly it has no flashlight, and it has 75% charge, so I will be putting charger on this. Let's see what else accessories we have. I think it doesn't have a power cord. Oh wait, I think it does one. How do you open this? So this is the included power cord. So yeah, I will be charging this for later on, so I will post in the item description if how many times it can really charge my Motorola E4 Plus. Thanks for watching.